Worms. A worm is a type of standalone malware that spreads independently across computer networks or the internet. Unlike viruses, worms do not require a host file or program to propagate. Instead, they exploit network vulnerabilities or security weaknesses to self-replicate and spread from one system to another. Here are key characteristics of worms. Replication. Worms are standalone programs that can replicate themselves without needing a host file. They can spread independently across computer networks or the internet. Automatic execution. Worms typically do not require user interaction or execution of a file to propagate. They are designed to exploit vulnerabilities and spread automatically, without any action from the user. Transmission. Worms typically spread through network connections, exploiting security flaws in operating systems, applications, or network protocols. They can rapidly infect a large number of systems by scanning for vulnerable computers. Payload. Worms may carry a payload, which can vary from simply consuming network resources and slowing down systems to more destructive actions, like deleting files or installing backdoors for remote access. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and check the cybersecurity playlists for more.